Welcome to How to Beat the Password Game. Today, we're diving into the critical importance of password security and the strategies to keep your digital life safe. Let's start with the common pitfalls. Many people fall into the trap of using weak passwords like 123,456 or even reusing the same password across different platforms. Avoid these mistakes to protect yourself. Creating a strong password is your first line of defense. Combine uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters, and aim for at least 12 characters. Unique passwords are crucial. Having different passwords for each of your accounts ensures that if one gets compromised, others remain safe. Password managers are a fantastic way to securely store and generate complex passwords. With so many options available, choose one that fits your needs. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for an extra layer of security. It requires not only your password, but also a verification code sent to your device. Make it a habit to regularly update your passwords. This simple act keeps your account safe and minimizes the risk of unauthorized access. Stay vigilant against phishing attempts. Always verify email sources and avoid clicking on suspicious links. Protect your data. If you suspect your account is compromised, act quickly. Change your password immediately, notify your provider, and enable two-factor authentication where possible. By following these tips, you can stay ahead in the password game and keep your online presence secure. Thanks for watching.